Look at the sky here. Let's take a look before the panoramic camera takes over. Totally holographic sky. Look at that. See separation? Squares, different color. Oh boy, look at that. Huh. It's jerky too. Is something big gonna go down here or what? And look at what's over the dome. Let's get in there a little closer before, like I said, the panoramic. Yeah, it's a big old fog cloud over it. Alright. Just a quick peek at what's going on here. At that crazy sky. Look at that. Alright, that's a quick share. See this? That's as green as I've seen it. It's always got green, but never that green. Okay. Like I said, quick share.